Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on all websites in Chrome. So I will show you two ways. First is the native browser way, and second is the extension way. So if you want to use browser, you can just go ahead and open up your search bar and then type in Chrome flags. Go to this section. In the search for flags, type in dark mode. Then you just find this one right here, this setting auto dark mode for web contents. In the drop down, just enable it. And then just restart your browser. And all of the pages will become dark for you instantly. If you want to go ahead and install an extension, open up in extensions, go to Web Store and search for this extension right here. Type in Dark Reader, okay, and install it. Add to Chrome, bingo. Then let me just open up Wikipedia so that I show you that it works. And as you can see now, it's black. And you just go ahead and pin it. If I turn it off, it's white. Turn it on, it's black. That is it. Enjoy saving your eyes. If this helped, subscribe.